The CuCl is significantly more soluble and will dictate the common Cl to the power concentration. Its dissolution CuCl right-left terpenes Cu to the power plus Cl to the power dominates. Let its solubility be y to the power 2 equals 1.0 times 10 to the power minus 6 implies y equals 10 to the power minus 3 m. Since 0.1 moles was added to 1 liter, it will not dissolve completely, creating a saturated CuCl solution with Cl to the power equals 10 to the power minus 3 m. For AgCl, the new Ag to the power plus concentration is determined by this common ion, Ag to the power plus equals Ksp AgCl over Cl to the power equals 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 10 over 10 to the power minus 3 equals 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 7 m. Thus, x equals 7. The answer is 7.